Let's try this one. Hiding inside myself. Ayan, who got a love song for you coming up next? This is Mix D, your sexy cowboy. Shout out to everyone and good morning.
Dahil sa lotion with aloe and rash shield.
Alright, this song, the title of this song is Hiding Inside. Napakatinding hugot love song nito, Hiding Inside Myself. I've been so alone all my life. I couldn't give my heart to anyone, and hiding myself was a man who needed to be held like everyone. The days move into years, I look for warmth between the tears. It never ever found me, never ever found me. Yes, I did seem to grasp at straws. They surely broke all the time. So I hid inside, I almost died. Yes, I hid inside and I cried. A loving heart, in necessity man, hiding inside myself. Then you came out of nowhere, and I could not believe my heart. I didn't know how to tell you, I didn't know where to start. When I hid inside, I almost died. Oh, I hid inside and I cried. Oh, a loving heart, in necessity man, I know you'll understand. Yeah. Napakagandang hugot love song para sa inyo ngayong umaga. Ang title niyan is Hiding Inside Myself. Grabe. Ang tindi ng mga hugot na yan. Alright, let's see what's coming up next.